YouTube channel. With homemade recipe Inang, Belgium. Today I want to show you how to make the simple but delicious and easy soup by the creation of myself. I'm still during vacation in London, England, UK, so I just bought all the ingredients. I just come back from the supermarket like that to buy all the ingredients what I needed to make a soup today. But before this video started, please subscribe, give me thumbs up, and don't forget to leave the feedback on the comment column. Thank you everyone, and thank you for all my subscribers. Have a great day. I will show you now all the ingredients. So let's start with vegetable oil like this, okay, and paper, powder paper, one piece of chicken flavor, this star anise, okay, and a laurel leaf, a few, little bit salt, potatoes, six pieces of potatoes. It doesn't matter the size, the big one or the small one is the same. And the carrot, 4 pieces carrot, okay, and 3 pieces of garlic, fresh garlic, 2 pieces of the red onion. Let me tell you about this garlic. I use all the time the fresh garlic and red onion because that's really good for the blood pressure, to reduce the high blood pressure. The garlic, and the difference between the red onions with the white onions, the red one is more fiber, more vitamin C. And this, the meatballs, minced meat, minced meat is about 350 grams. Okay, let's start. With my daughter, with my 2 lovely daughter in London, I would like to cook by myself because that's the most important, is more healthy. All the ingredients you use it, and you can make sure everything the fresh what you eat, that's the fresh food. It's really good for our immune system, to make our immune system higher. Let's get started, okay? Healthy food for the healthy life. Like this. Now I need to cut it small pieces, all the small pieces. Okay. Okay, it's done. Now I will start to cook. Okay, with the vegetable oils. This one. Okay, and add the oil. Vegetable oil. Just little bit. Delicious. Best. Mamma mia. Lekker. Delicious. Like this one. This. video today. Hopefully to see you again on my next video. If you're interested, please take a look to my playlist. Thank you and have a great day.